Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. Today I'm gonna do stripping of the paint on the Malossi kickstart case. So I got the Malossi kickstart cover and I just taped off the parts that are like already milled down, and I'm now gonna apply this stuff, Rust-Oleum green paint remover. I got it from a friend, Tomin. He said this is very good stuff. So I'm just gonna use this thing to apply a coat of it, and then I'm gonna let it for about an hour and see what happens. So yeah, yesterday we went to the dyno with the CNC engine. It was very nice. And otherwise I'm still doing the rebuild stuff. The exhaust is now polished too, or not polished, but just also removed the paint on it. Okay, well, let's try this. Okay, so I applied the coat of this gel. It's a sort of a gel to the cases, and now I'll just have to wait for around an hour, I think, and then come back and see what happens. I hope it removes all the black stuff, and then I can start to polish it up. Maybe I should put some more, I don't know. Okay, I gave it some time, and yeah, it seems to work nice. The paint is totally going. It's all bubbled up. I'm gonna take the brush and try to scrape it off. It's on there pretty much, but I need something more plastic. Wait. Okay, I got me this thing. Let's try. Oh yeah, it's coming off like nothing. Nice. Okay, seems to work very good. The paint is going off super easy, and it's the color I want. I'm not gonna polish it even, I think. Looks perfect. It's just raw aluminum color. This will take a little bit of time, of course, but it works very good. It's a good trick. Okay, I'm gonna continue and show you guys the result later. So this was the stuff, Rust-Oleum green paint remover. Gonna close it up now, because it stinks a lot. Okay, see you guys later. This is like almost done. Now next video it will be all done. Okay, so this is the process after cleaning it up a lot. So it all becomes shriveled, and then I used 3 tools. I used the big one to scrape off the whole big sections, then this one for the smaller, and this fine one for the very fine parts. So see, I got it out of all the corners. still need to do a little bit more, but it's already pretty good. Okay, so I taped off the letterings. So it was not really perfectly taped off, but I think it won't attack the polish. So I'm gonna try it without taping it off now. It should only attack the paint. So yeah, it's already pretty good. On the top side, some small ones I still need to do. It took a lot of time to do all the small ones, and here is the hardest section, is here and here. But otherwise it goes pretty fast. You just scrape it and it all comes off, and then you have a lot of stuff, so you need to clean it up a little bit and then redo it, and yeah, but it seems to work nice. Maybe I'll later on give it a light polish, but I also like this color because it's exactly the same as the casted cases, so maybe just this as like bling stuff. Then once the Kickstarter will be on it, it will be very nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply the second coat. I'm also thinking maybe to make it some parts like this still black. Just tape it off better. I don't know what I'm gonna do to make the letters more like pop out. Otherwise it would be like this. These letters are not CNC'd, so yeah, I'm not sure yet. With the black, I don't like the black, so probably just gonna remove it all and make it even nicer. See, there's still little bits I need to do. And on the back side, this is how it comes out on the back side. So see, here I need to do some more cleanup, and here as well. The black is also in the inside, but that doesn't matter. Okay, well, see you in the next step. Okay, now we did the letters. So first I taped them off, but it doesn't really attack the polish thing, so see, and then you can just scrape it a bit and it comes off. Super easy. Just I give it around 20 minutes to maybe 30, I don't know. I just put it on and wait a bit until it bubbles up, and see, then you just peel all the letters, peel the black stuff, the paint away. You don't have to scratch it hard, just very softly it comes off. Some parts where the coating wasn't good, it's a bit harder, but then you just push a bit harder. Or if it really doesn't come off, just redo it. So then you take away all the black pieces. Yeah, and now I'm just gonna continue doing this until it's all clean. Okay, this is how it came out. It has a nice color to it. just need to pick out here, there are some small details I need to pick out with the needle, and here there's a little bit paint left, but otherwise it worked very nice. Looks very beautiful, and it has like a pearl finish in the metal, like a little shiny flakes in it. And I didn't do anything, just used the paint stripper and an afternoon of work to clean it up and do it. Okay, thanks for watching the video. See you next time.